Tatale TV. View it live. Tatale TV. View it live. Tatale TV. View it live.
Sunday, honorable Yamapa. You say about your can't here. Now, Sunday, you see, and declare now, she owns the powder. What it costs for I didn't any jail. Well, you can, whether that's another man. Oh, I prefer a while. And I will custom so Rebecca said, "No one more day now on part. You know, you have a problem. You know, you see all the contest you was a catching center. The day, the papa, Casacucci, and in the man of my back, even though you have a problem, and see. It's your sick as a diamond and man of the So, Washa, you go around here, the Biniqua person, we don't talk about I believe in them, say, Napuanye, now as we grab back, now you have to bonnet, you have to crack, and you will be out. We didn't say you now come on, you see every clear plan. I'm doing a mile. It's a Nakupon. Now there's a vending now, so man. Now, you did say, victory and Nakupon Damaya, 2024, in Nakupon the Damaya, not 7th January 2025. That's right, Dr. Bauer as president. Honorable, yes, it's a I have to and a cash. I have central for your grounds. And I say, elections are won at the police station. MP in 374 votes as against 213 for Ofosu Nkansah and then 4 for Nana Agyemang. If the Oshas have votes, what was the secret pulling this massive vote? I do not yes, I feel like it. I'm not going to this. I'm more album. You're not the Mona said, any of the Cassia and almost so much to Abano so and the young papa so every mile, which is the Domasi. Now, if I show me, I am prepared by any of the doctor saw my now. Now, you are the double, I am MPP as you know, I will MPP as my double. I'm saying that, and I'm saying a summer. 8 December, your Kotu Abana, your Saya to Abua, I'm a MPP as Abba. How are you?
Tatale TV. View it live.
Kwame Anyimadu Antwi. So with the power invested in me from the Electoral Commission, I declare Kwame Anyimadu Antwi as the MPP Parliamentary elect for 2024. Thank you.
Thank you. It is a great day, and I'm so happy. I congratulate the 2 other candidates that competed with me, and I wish them the best of luck next time. It was a fierce competition, but with the grace of God, I had lived with the people, and the people had proven that they love me. I think I had learned the rudiments of Asante politics,
and they have held me to this far. To God be the glory, and glory be to Asante Akim Central, especially my municipal chief executive, who never deserted me and supported me day and night. I am so grateful. I'm grateful to the constituency executives. Some of them deserted me, but even those that deserted me, I will say that it was an effort to strengthen me, to strengthen my campaign and to win these elections. This is the 5th time that I have won elections at Asante Akim Central. I have always had a competition. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Always people have competed me and I have won elections. This shows that Asante Akim Central, they love me and I also love them. I promise that the 2024 election would be a walkover for the NDC, and we are going to break the 8, and victory would be for MPP, and victory would be for Dr. Baumia, and victory would be for Asante Akim Central. Thank you very much, Electoral Commission, and I thank all the MPP delegates that had come to this election ground, especially the police. Then I would not complete my Thanksgiving if I am not able to say thank you. I'm so grateful. Before the elections, it was like Asante Akim was a war zone. If you go to the social media, but the police proved that we only have to use our tongue to talk. So all the dodo must go away. Abusia for me damasi. Ewo ene election ya yakui me damasi pa say especially party no ama democracy ayejuma emprenum ni a mako contest ebi eni ho a eya hongno so ni nyina nso contest na Asante Akim for etrese omodomi said de ne omatreme me da MPP for as a papa election committee ni da municipal chief executive owo Asante Akim Central owa Robert Akwache any constituency executives nyina ebi time mechi ebi an time mechi empanisi e power pampamu a ne yesi ye yiru kom ne nyina mu no yetimi awene elections na yasida enamde ma obia enkanka ne police fo a omode baimbo eba ha said ye wonam a ye beka na beka sa Asante Akim ye kokon oma me ye hu se kokomotie ene se ye beka sa Asante Akim se said ye nkabo mu aba no ebehia enipa ye ne omko contest ni nyina so obia mfa na chidifo enko ye mateme ho me ko independent ne nyina beka bom na yetimi ya breaking 8 no in 2024 na owura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia abe president of Ghana. Medamo nyina ase awadi hiramu.